Hi dear students, in this video I'll be talking about radio button, what radio button is and how it works. If you look at this example, we have multiple radio buttons. In these multiple radio buttons we can select only one of them. When we select one of them, then something happens. سلاخن كلاني عزيز لم فيديوية بسي راديو بطن أكمو بيتانا لم كتشون إشاكا أجر سيري أم إكزامبل بكان إما كان راديو بطن يكمان هي كأتوانين تنها يقداني عن حل بجيرين كيقدانا حل أبجيرين أكشنك أكات أو دانيان كشتك روادات ليرة با أم program run بكين when we run this program first we select the red radio button, then the text becomes red and the color becomes red as well. When we select green, something happens. When we select the blue, something happens as well. Okay, لم فيديوية بتاعنا لم كتشون برنامجي أو هدرستن. سرتا أروينا file new project. We hit the next, then we can name the project name radio button example. If this one is checked, please uncheck it. Okay, then hit the finish. If you look at here, then you have to right click on the source package, then new, then go to JFrame form. You can change the name of JFrame form. You can make it radio button. Okay, hit the finish. Then we have an empty JFrame form. There JFrame form كي بتعمل هي أو example كي كمك بيش حسابهم رانكتن شون أتوانين دروستي بكن. We have to bring 3 radio buttons. سي radio button أهينين. Okay. And the name of the first one, the text name it red. The second one is green, and the third one is what? Blue. Okay, ليرة شي من هي أو ناوي أوصي راديو بطن مانغوري وهال label أهينين. And the label we did the text of the label, we make it Asian or anything you want. Okay. Estet شون أمنوسينا جورة بكم right click, go to properties, properties part, then go to font. In this font we have font style and we have font size as well. In the font size we can make the writing, the text bigger or smaller. We can pick 36, or from here we can pick bold, italic, and we have some styles here. Hit the OK, then close. Now you know, as you see, it is bigger. Okay, and we can change the color of the red to red. Go to properties, foreground. It's okay if you don't change the color or the text. It doesn't matter. But if you make it, it becomes nicer. Only the thing that you can make it nicer. It's okay if you don't make it, if you don't change it. ليرة أجر أمانجنا كي يعني تقريبا أحسائية بلام تشيك أمانة تنها بوجوانية. Foreground color كي أكينا green. Can change it to green. Okay. Okay. In this blue, go to properties part, then go to foreground, pick blue. Okay, you can pick blue. Okay, and finish. Okay, let's run the program. When we run the program, when we select this one, then we go to another one. We can select it as well. We go to another one. We can select another one as well. Then that's wrong. How we change this one? أما هي استغلطك إما أتوانين سلكتي هموي بكين استشيكي أروي أما هي أنشاك أكين شون شاكي أكين ليرة أمس يعني relate أكين بيكويان أبستين. But how we bring a button group? Just put it here. Then select these 3 radio buttons. When we select them, then go to properties. In this properties, go to button group. It's written none. Then pick what? Pick button group 1. ليرة لبutton group اگر دقتان دا بکن نسرابونن اما چون button groupi 1 من هل بجارج که یک button group من ليرة هيا. استا چیه کن؟ استا باران کن جاره کیتی استا ریلید بون بیا کما استا که اما سلکتکن او سلکتکن اما نعمینه که او سلکتکن او کن نعمینه. We can select only one of them. Okay, how we make them do something, how we change them to do something. Okay, first we go to the red one, double click on it. Oh, sorry. Okay, double click, then it goes to the source part. الوال ببشي source later شي أكن. We have to write a condition. later condition يكنوسين كألين if this one is selected كأما ألين أما select كرا ك variable name أما أهينين لبشي كود control copy later control v dot is selected ألين كأول selected بو. okay cheap ka a bit label نابي شي variable name okay j label 1 we bring it, then we go to the source part dot set foreground color كي أكينا شي أكينا red باشا ألين با رنجكي ببيتا red كأما ألين رنجكي بيتا red با run كين. let's just see the output. When we select this one, then the color becomes red, but that's not enough. We want the text becomes red as well. So how we do this one? We say the same JLabel dot set text. Okay, you know, when we say set text, we have to change this text. Okay, we change it to what? This JRadioButton 1. Just copy it, bring it for here. Dot get text. أوي كلا أو راديو بطن أو تكستي أو راديو بطن هيتي ولي أجريتو أي خيط السر أو ليبلا. Okay, let's see the output. When we select it, then the writing becomes red, then the color becomes red as well. Okay, now we do the same thing for the green and for the blue. Okay, for the green, right click. When we go to the code, okay, we say if, then we bring the name of the variable name of this radio button, copy it, then go to dot vs selected. Okay, now we say we bring the same code. You can bring the same code. اتواني همان كودي او كيدي بيني بلام چي اكي بلام ام ريدا اكيد تشي اكيد green وهر وها ام جي راديو بطن وانا استا اما كراني بكين تكستي جرينك ريدك عيني بلام اما تكستي جرينك معني بويا اما كوبيك هرچان اتواني بس يكاك بكيت دو بلام نكاشتك بدستو بصريتو استا دوم دانش جرينكش طوال a bit. Now for the red and for the green we do the same for the blue. We just copy the code. But how? Let's go to the blue, double click, then go to this radio button, write a condition. If we say we bring the name of this radio button, let's copy it, control copy, paste it here, control V, dot is selected, and then write the brackets, then the same code that's in the up, bring it, control copy or control V, but change the this green to, we can change this green to blue, and this JRadioButton 2, we have to make it this one. We have to change it to this one. Copy one. اوكي هسه بابوينه بشكل ديوراني بكين red, green, blue. Okay, this is the end for our lesson for today. I hope you understood well. Goodbye.